Since 1991, Kenne Bell has been the home of the legendary record-breaking rear inlet twin-screw supercharger kits. To minimize inlet system airflow restriction and horsepower loss, these Kenne Bell Mammoth kits utilize a huge, industry-leading 1,500 horsepower rated air filter, 4.5-inch Ram air inlet pipe, and 168mm throttle body to guarantee maximum airflow to the supercharger. The supercharger is constructed of much stronger 100% billet aluminum and steel. These larger displacement 2-liter, 3-liter, and 4-liter superchargers all use an exclusive Kenne Bell 4x6 lobe rotor concept that develops more horsepower and boost with lower supercharger RPM. This means cooler discharge air, less friction, and lower parasitic losses with more room to grow.